All right, so in this video, I want to walk you through a secret tool here, which is the Facebook ads return on ad spend calculator. And what this does here is it allows you to see how much you can get as far as a return on what you're investing or what your client is investing in as far as the ad spend. Okay, so let's go ahead and walk through this here. This is a very powerful tool because it'll give you an idea as far as how many potential leads your prospective clients can expect in what particular industry. So right here, we can look at the industry and we can select all these different types of industries, and the information and data is going to get automatically populated. So for example, if I go to apparel, you'll notice here that the clicks will change. If I go to B2B, the number of clicks will change. And so this is really about giving us a good understanding of what we can expect for our particular industry. So let's say we were working in the healthcare space, okay? So $1,000, $1.30 per click, conversion rate about 11%, and then the sale price. So how much is an actual sale worth to that particular client? So let's say here it was $2,000 or $1,000, okay? For like a dental implant, we'll say $1,005, okay? And so if we go up here, we can look at the results and it shows us, okay, so 769 clicks, 85 conversions, cost per conversion or cost per acquisition is $12, and then the value is $1,000. Now let's bring this down. Let's say that, because this is obviously, quite a bit here, and obviously not every conversion is going to actually convert. As far as every lead that comes in, they're not going to capture and convert every single lead that comes in to the actual landing page. If let's say 10 people submit their information for like a dental implant, they're not going to get all those 10 people to actually come in. Maybe it'll be 30, 40, 50%, right? So you can break this down even further. Let's bring this down a little bit. And so let's just say here 35 actual conversions, right? Leads that are actually converting each month, because maybe you can get them, 60, 70 leads, right? And it's pretty easy and simple to get those numbers. However, 35 of those actually convert. Let's even go down further here. Let's be conservative. Let's say 25 of all of the leads that come in, let's say they get 50 or 60 or whatever that may be, right? 25 of those actually convert, right? Then they're going to be able to get a return on ad spend of $23,738. So this is a return on ad spend of 2,373.8%. And so you can use this in your presentation. You can take a screenshot and let your prospective client know that, hey, based on my calculations for previous clients or from what we've seen in the past, this is giving us a pretty good estimate of what you can expect as far as a return on investment, right? On your page where you have your ideal scenario, right? You can show this to them. You can take a screenshot here and show them, hey, if we get at a minimum 25 conversions and each conversion is worth to you, right, X dollars, right? Or in this case, $1,000, then with you only investing $1,000, you're going to have a return of $23,000, right? Obviously here, that's not counting your management fee. However, your management fee is going to be very minimal in comparison to how much they're getting on return. So very powerful tool here. You want to go to einsteinmarketer.com/ROAS and then dash and then a calculator. And then it'll pull this up for you. So you can come in here and change up the industries. Let's say you want to get into the auto industry, any kind of education type of business, right? Fitness, home improvement, right? And so it's really giving you the ability to have this information be pre-populated. So let's even go to the home improvement. And a value for a customer is going to be more in the home improvement space. So let's say a value here is, let's go about 2,500, okay? All right, so now we can see that if they just get 23 conversions, which means that 23 people that actually convert and actually get a project done, right, each month, then the value for this is going to be 56,101 return on ad spend. And so let's even be a little bit more conservative here in the home remodeling space. And let's say that we only get, let's say 15 conversions here, right? Very, very conservative. Still, with just $1,000 in ad spend. And if they get, 40, 50, or whatever, how many leads, and then only 15 of those actually convert into paying customers, that's still going to be, about $36,000 return on ad spend. So it's still going to be massive here. And this tool here, like I said, take a screenshot here so that you can show your prospective clients in your presentation and show them, hey, this is what we can expect at the very minimal. You obviously would have done your research on your prospective client's market. You understand how much a new, patient, customer is worth to them, and then you would be able to input that in here. So that's going to be here for this one, and we'll see you on the next one.